What's up, YouTube? It is your boy Witness. I know it's been a while since y'all heard my voice, but y'all know I gotta come with premium content, and today we have a LC500 drop top. As y'all can see, in this crazy like cream yellow color. I'm not the most fond of this color, but I don't know, man, it's kind of growing on me. There might be some extra ground noise in the back, don't mind that. But yeah, man, I'm gonna take y'all on a little ride along. We got 471 horsepower to play with today, and we're gonna ride through downtown Atlanta. You dig what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think it's pretty dope, and the exhaust sounds better. I'm gonna give y'all a little startup, and then we're gonna get on the road. So let's do it. What is up, all of my supporters on YouTube? I know y'all have not heard my voice in so long, man. Yet it is your boy Witness. I am back with a video. I have been wanting to upload, but you know, I let life get in my way, and I am very disappointed. But there's certain things that we can't change. So I just wanted to at least come back to y'all and show love to the people that's been following me, been telling me to post or whatnot. So I feel like this is good content for the channel. You know what I'm saying? So we have a small trip ahead of us, nothing too crazy, but I wanted to get a little POV ride along of me riding around in this LC500. Super dope. Super dope. The exhaust sound too good. I got some pulls for y'all already. I don't want to do too much. But this car sounds absolutely amazing. It sounds amazing. So we're just gonna take a little cruise through downtown, you know, nothing too crazy. And yeah, I'm gonna get some content for y'all, man. Get some content for y'all. But I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone that started school, man, I'm hoping you have a great school year. I hope everyone that's moved recently or had other blessings in their life, man, and make sure you count them, because every day is not promised, man. You know what I'm saying? Keep working hard, and we can get these whips, man. You can be in this exact whip. Let's just get to it. I'll let y'all hear that exhaust a little bit. It is a drop top, but obviously it's a rainy day today, so I don't think we're gonna be dropping the top. And it gets a little loud, you know, it's a lot of wind, so can't really hear me too well. I want y'all to get the best content possible. Uh-oh, can I get over, please? Gracias. But yeah, man, what y'all been up to, man? Let me know what y'all been up to in the comments, man. I miss uploading. I really miss uploading. I'm not gonna lie. This was fun. I forgot my tripod, but I said I'll get a handheld POV. You know what I'm saying? For y'all, man. Any means necessary. By any means necessary, man. Hey. But yeah, man. Let me know what y'all think about this color too. Me and this color, I don't know, man. I just don't think we get along too well. But other than that, man, the interior is very nice. It's a very nice interior. It's very comfortable to ride in. The sticker on this is 106, man. So if y'all want an LC500 drop top, it's gonna run you a pretty penny, and it guzzles up a good amount of gas. But as y'all can see, we do have a very structured tank, so we should be good, man. Bro, I don't know if y'all been seeing in Atlanta, bro. They got all these self-driving cars out here. It's a little crazy because you know how this traffic can get. So it's like, man, I think this one driving itself. I don't know. They got vans out here now. It's an autonomous vehicle. Yep, it say it right on the back. That's crazy work, bro. We in the future, gang. I had to stop at this gas station. I'm gonna get some gas, and we're gonna pull up out of here. Do what I'm saying? It's like a little 9 o'clock. This is a morning POV right now. We are in the morning. It's a morning raining day, bro. It's a Monday, so, but you know, that don't never start to grind. Dig. As y'all can see that yellow. I feel like this is like a sore thumb. It sticks out. Everybody's gonna notice. That's why I can't go too crazy, because, you know, can't go too crazy. How lacking, y'all. I got this phone in my hand. Beautiful city. Beautiful day. Beautiful day in the city of Atlanta. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back to uploading, man. I'm gonna make sure to pick up the camera when I'm in some pod shit for y'all, bro. Cause I've been lazy, y'all. I can't lie, y'all. I've been lazy. I have. I'm gonna tighten up. All right, y'all. We just pulled up for some gas. Hopefully y'all can hear me pretty well. This is with the top up. I don't know, man. I just can't do this yellow. It's decent. But you know, this shit fire though. I ain't gonna lie. I just love the LC. I love how aggressive the taillights look. Anyways, let me get out this gas station. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna top it off with some gas. It's gonna do that. I know some of y'all in Cali be like, this gas cheap, but nah, for us, this gas expensive. They waxing. It's all good though. It's all good though. It's part of the game. Part of the game. Top that boy off. Let me get it to 10. I know you're not supposed to do this, but it'll be all right. All right, y'all. Well, I have to continue on with my day. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video, ride along, whatever the case may be. Let me know what y'all think. Like the video if y'all want some more, man. If y'all miss me, man, let me know, man. Give me some encouragement to start getting in my bag with this, because y'all know I can. Let's start this up and show y'all the startup screen, and we're gonna get up out of here. Peace.